Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove or disconnect your bank account from Zelle, follow these step-by-step instructions to unlink your banking information safely. Step 1. Determine if you are using Zelle through your bank's mobile app or through the standalone Zelle app, as the removal process differs for each. Step 2. If you are using Zelle through your bank's app, you typically cannot remove Zelle entirely as it is integrated. Instead, you can delete your enrolled email or phone number by contacting your bank's customer service. Step 3. If you are using the standalone Zelle app, open the app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Step 4. Tap on the menu icon or navigate to Settings in the Zelle app to access your account information and preferences. Step 5. Look for an option related to payment methods, linked cards, or bank accounts in the Settings menu. Step 6. Select the debit card or bank account you wish to remove from Zelle. You should see details about the linked account. Step 7. Tap on Remove Card, Delete Account, or a similar option to disconnect the bank account from your Zelle profile. Step 8. Confirm your decision when prompted. Zelle may ask you to verify that you want to remove the account. Once confirmed, your bank account will be disconnected from Zelle and you will no longer be able to send or receive money through this account. If you want to completely close your Zelle account, contact Zelle customer support for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.